Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Gather your ID, backup email, and current phone before starting the reset process. Make sure you can unlock any device you will use for verification. Expect verification prompts by SMS, call, or authenticator app during the reset. Open the account recovery page on a secure device and stable network connection. Have at least one backup method ready, like backup codes or a safety email. Write down recovery codes and store them offline in a secure location. Sign in securely, navigate to security settings, and choose recovery phone to change. Use a device you own and avoid public Wi-Fi while making changes. Enter the new phone number and verify ownership using the provided verification code. If you cannot receive codes, choose call or authenticator app options when available. Keep a secondary number or device registered to avoid lockouts during future changes. Confirm the new number shows as verified in your account settings. Test recovery by initiating a sign-in from another device and using the new phone. Follow the prompt and enter the verification code received on your updated number. Enable two-factor authentication and save recovery codes in an offline location for emergencies. Remove any old phone numbers and revoke sessions on devices you no longer use. If you become locked out, use backup codes or submit identity verification to support. Expect processing times of 24 to 72 hours for manual account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.